In this tutorial, we will be solving question number 2. We need to find the measurement of the angle QTB. Now, in such case, it is a different example from question number 1. Since in number 1, we did not have the measurement of the angle inside the triangle. In question number 2, we do have it, and we need to find the measurement of the angle that is outside the triangle. Now, working within the triangle PQT, we already have the measurements of 2. Let's find the third. Sum of angles is 180. So, in such case, we can find the measurement of the upper angle. So 40 plus 110 is equal to 150. And we need to add to it the angle P. And so in such case, all of them are equal to 180. So P is 180 minus 110 minus 40. And that would be equal to 30 degrees. And so in such case, we found the angle P. Now, applying the alternate segment theorem, we know that the measurement of the angle P is equal to the measurement of angle QTB. And so, in such case, that would be equal to 30 degrees. And that would be the measurement of angle QTB.